Cloud is an amazing screen recorder used by professionals to record the screen on the go, and it is by far the best screen recorder that is available in the market. It is a web application and has hassle-free process to record your PC screen. It has an amazing UI. You can also invite your guests to share the screen with you, and sharing makes your work so simple. Go ahead guys and try Cloud for yourself. Hey guys, I'm your host Emmanuel and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna look at a screen recorder which is not widely used, but I thought of showing it to you guys, which is an efficient tool for screen recording. And I'm gonna just show you. So I've opened up a Google page here and I'm just gonna type on Flashback Screen Recorder. There you go. This is the website of screen recorder, goes by the name Flashback, and I'm just gonna click here. This is the home page of Flashback Screen Recorder, and here there is an option to download the free trial. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just click on the products here and I'm gonna select Flashback Express, and that gets me to this page. And here there is a button which shows try pro for free, but I'm not gonna click here. I'm gonna do a little scrolling, and at the bottom there's an option for choosing Flashback Express. So here, if you look at the options, it says you can record screen and sounds, you can capture your webcam, and also add commentary, and there would be no watermarks on the video, as well as you've got a few video editing options. The only difference between the Pro version and the Flashback Express version is that you cannot add text, images or sounds or apply any kind of video effects, and you can only save it as MP4. The Flashback Pro option allows you to save in all formats. Alright, having said that, I'm gonna quickly click on Get Express Free. Alright, there you go. I'm just gonna download it, and once it gets downloaded, I'm gonna just click on it and try and install the software. I'm gonna select the language as English and click OK, and I'm gonna click on install. It takes a while to install Flashback Screen Recorder, and please remember, always download the Flashback Express, not the Pro version. Alright, it's done. I'm going to click on Run Flashback. It's quite simple. Once I have installed the Flashback Express, it straight away shoots me the question of whether to record the screen or the webcam and the microphone. I can choose the screen that I should record. I can also include the webcam, and there you go. You've got a little webcam here, webcam image here. And since I am already using a screen recording software, my webcam is not visible here, as you can see. And here I could select the microphone of my choice. There you go. And then if I want, I could record the PC sounds. I can just set it up as on. But here it shows that free recorder can only capture the microphone audio. So that is an option you don't get with a free recorder. Alright, and also the quality. Again, you cannot change the quality to 1080p or something. There are a variety of other options that you could select here just by clicking on the settings. Alright, here in the settings panel, I can just do a lot of things. I could actually set up shortcuts to actually not always click. I'm just gonna click on start recording. There you go, it shows me the timer and the recording has started. And in case if you want to stop the recording, you can always hover down to the area here and just click on the stop button, and recording is completed. I'm going to click on view my recording, and my recorded and my recorded and my screen recording appears here. You can always rename, delete, make a copy, and open file location. Here is my screen recording, and I can just click here to play it, and there you go. The recording is available here. All right, now I want to talk about a few things of this software. I'm just gonna click on settings panel here, and there you go. You have a lot of options. You can just play with these buttons here, and it says you can show the recording countdown or not. You can actually record the mouse cursor or not, and in case if you want to highlight the mouse cursor, you can do that as well. And also if you want to highlight mouse clicks, you can do this here as well. You can also set up this app to actually launch at startup, and pretty much every basic stuff that we require for setting up the screen recorder. Also, it does allow the users to actually change the location of the recordings. I can do this here as well. All right, and everything is for free. I can set up the video and audio here. I can make my background effect as blur, remove the background, or give a custom background to myself. I can do all these things, and I can also change the microphone volumes. I can set up noise cancellation. I can set up the frame rates, video quality, and everything under video and audio. All right, now I'm just gonna click on the language area here. They offer this app in 3 languages: English, French, and Japanese. Of course, I used English during the installation, and that's pretty much it. It is a very simple screen recording software, and it's quite powerful, and it is able to produce decent videos, and it's completely free, and there is no watermark for this, until of course if you choose to buy a Flashback Pro version. I'm gonna show you in a second. Again, I'm gonna hover to products and click on Flashback Pro. There you go. You can actually look at the pricing somewhere here. All right, here there is a pricing option on the top of the menu here, and there you go. For one PC license, it's $49 US, and for 2 PC licenses, it's gonna be $74 US. And for more licenses, you could always visit the store, or you can contact them and actually get how many ever licenses that you need. All right, but as far as I am concerned, for starters, for beginners, Flashback Express version is good to go, and we could produce pretty decent videos with Flashback Express. So that's it, guys. I think I have given you a brief overview of Flashback Express, and I hope this video is very helpful to you. In case if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give us a like. Thank you again, and I'll meet you in the next video.